Good day, sir. This is the optimal algorithm. We have the given of 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 3, 1, 6, 2, 4. We have 3 frames, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. The page reference is the given, so we will start with 1. The page reference of 1, we will add 1 here. Page reference 2, since there is 2, we will put the 2 and copy the 1. Page 3, since there's no 3 yet, we will put the 3 here and copy the 1 too. The page reference 4, we will copy the 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1, 2, 3, and since there is no fourth 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 page yet, we will put the 4 here. So since the 2 here, since there is already 2 in the page reference 2, we will just copy it. Same as the 3, we will only copy it. Same as the page reference 1, we will only copy the 1, 2, 3, 4. So here in 5, we will only replace the last or the fourth thing, which is the 4. So we will put the 5 in here, which is the fourth thing. Then in the next given, which is 4, we will replace the 5 and put the 4 here. Next is the 3, which is the given 3. We will only copy it, same as the given 1. For the given 6, we will replace the fourth frame or the last frame. Then the next given is 2. We will only just copy it since there is already 2 in here. So in the last given, which is 4, we will replace the fourth frame or the last frame. For the page fault, we will only check whether if there is changes or no changes. So in page fault, in page reference 1, since there is 1 in here, the given, we will put the 1 in the first frame, so there is changes. Same as the 2, so the given 2, we will put the given 2 in the second frame, so there is changes. Same as the third and fourth. Since we put all the given in all 4 frames, in the next given in here, there is no changes, so we will just leave it blank. Then comes the given 5. There is changes because we replace the 4 to 5 to 5. There is the page reference, which is since we replace the 4, we will put the 4 here. Then next is the fourth given, the number 4 given. Since there is changes in here, we check this and put the number what number that we replace it. Since there is no changes in it, we will just leave it blank. Then second, then we come to given 6. Since there is changes, we check it. Then the 6 replace the 4, so we will put the 4 here. Same as the given, same as the given 2. There is no changes, and there is no given that have been replaced. For the last given, which is 4, since the 4 replace the 6, we will check the page fault. Then the page reference, we will put the number that have been changed into or replaced. Thank you, sir.